Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're taking a step back into the golden age of American automotive design, where chrome was king, tailfins ruled the roads, and innovation was on full display. This is the 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner Convertible, and it's not just any classic cruiser. It's a mechanical marvel with a disappearing hardtop that stunned the world. Exterior. From the drive-in theaters to the open highways, this car wasn't just built to move people, it was built to turn heads. Let's take a closer look. The 1959 Ford Fairlane Skyliner was the final model year of Ford's revolutionary retractable hardtop series, and arguably, the most refined. Just look at it, this car is pure 1950s Americana. Up front, you've got a bold, wide grille, dual headlights, and enough chrome to blind oncoming traffic. Ford's signature jet-age styling is in full swing, with sculpted lines, bullet-style bumper ends, and rocket-inspired hood ornaments. From the side, the car stretches over 18 feet long. Chrome trim divides a two-tone paint job that screams vintage flair. And those pronounced rear tailfins. They're subtle compared to other 59s, but still give it that era-defining silhouette. But what truly sets the Skyliner apart is this, the retractable hardtop. At the push of a button, the entire metal roof folds and tucks into the massive rear trunk. It was the only true hardtop convertible of its kind in American production, a feat of engineering still impressive today. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that's just as bold as the exterior. The 1959 Skyliner came with spacious bench seating, often finished in two-tone vinyl or cloth with chrome piping, a rolling living room on wheels. The dashboard is a chrome and color showcase, with a wide speedometer, symmetrical layout, and push-button radio controls. Everything feels substantial, from the oversized steering wheel to the metal switchgear. And of course, the retractable top controls are right here. This wasn't just a convertible, it was a hardtop coupe that transformed with a ballet of motors, arms, and relays, 7 electric motors, 4 lift jacks, and over 600 feet of wiring to be exact. Performance. Under the hood, the 59 Skyliner typically came with a 292 cubic inch V8 as standard, delivering around 200 horsepower. Buyers could upgrade to the more powerful 332 or 352 cubic inch version 8s, topping out at about 300 horsepower. Paired with a 3-speed manual or Ford automotive automatic transmission, this land yacht wasn't built for speed, but it had enough grunt to cruise the interstate comfortably. Handling. Well, it's a full-size, body-on-frame cruiser. Expect a soft, floaty ride and lots of body roll, but that was the point. Comfort and style over cornering precision. Braking came from 4-wheel drums, standard for the time, and the car rode on whitewall tires with a suspension tuned more for gliding than gripping. The 1959 Ford Fairlane Skyliner wasn't just a car, it was an engineering experiment, a styling icon, and a snapshot of American ambition in the post-war boom. Sure, the retractable roof made it expensive and complex, and it eventually gave way to simpler soft tops, but what Ford achieved with this design still turns heads over 60 years later. Today, it's a collector's dream, not just because of rarity, but because it captures the soul of an era when cars were more than transportation, they were statements. The 1959 Fairlane Skyliner, a car that hides its top, but never hides its class. Thanks for joining us on this ride through American automotive history. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car features, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite car from the